The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in
Morning, guys.
listen-only mode.
Guys, very good morning. Today is Monday, 9:25. Audio is good, so we're good on a Monday. Terrific. Guys, very good morning to you all. If you folks are here on trial, we do have a few trials. Good morning and welcome. Ray, Dennis, Roland. Guys, good morning. Very good morning. It's been a pretty, even though it's been very, very slow, it's been a fairly decent trade so far this morning. Yeah, how about them Cardinals? I've got a good friend that's a diehard fanatical Cowboys fan. He's in mourning. In any event, I have run the bots this morning. The original bot is up 420. The trend bot on the 3-minute. Guys, can you hear me okay? Okay, the original bot on the 3-minute is up 2,000. Thank you, Tyler. Good morning. Welcome. I'll go over the room and everything for you guys that are on trial momentarily. Is up 2,000. And the 1-minute, which was up, I let it take this trade long, and 6 o'clock. We just failed yesterday's low, although I'm going to pause that. I really want it flipping into a short yet. The 1-minute was up small because I had it on the wrong account, so it only took one trade. It was up $45 pending this trade, which, hang on one second, guys. Let me look at this on a bigger time. Yeah, I'm going to have to take this off. All right, that bot's down $1,200. I still think we're going to get a bid here. In any event, I've done a bit of trading this morning, order flow wise. I've got one account up 495, one account up 485. I've shown you the bots. Even though I knew this thing, I think we're going longs. It's just chopping around in here on a 1-minute. I prefer the longs, not the shorts, guys. Small time frame is trying to go long. In any event, good morning and welcome. So for those of you guys that are on trial, I'm going to go over the bots. I'm going to give you guys an overview. I'll do it in about 10 minutes. I'm sure there are stragglers that are here on trial, so I'll wait so I don't have to repeat myself, but I will be sending out today's video, so what I go over will not only be recorded, but the room as well, so you guys can review trades. Trendbot 3-minute, your settings. Arjan's up 2540 with my settings on the Trendbot. So I'm up 2,000. Oh, he's on the 3-minute. Yeah. I'm up 2,005. He's up 2540. Using the settings I gave you guys in education. You son of a gun. Guys, listen, I like the longs here. I don't like the shorts in here, and I knew better. In any event, for those of you guys that are on trial, I do the same thing every day. I read the government disclaimer. I know most places do not read the disclaimer. I read the disclaimer. That may be where you want to go get coffee, stretch your legs. I then go over charts to give you guys an idea of what I'm seeing at the moment and what I think the probabilities are for the day. And then I'll go over the bots. Chad's up 2310 on the original bot with the settings that I have in the member area. So the bots are performing, guys. I mean, they're making money. I've told you guys once, I've told you guys many times that 7 to 8:15 time block is a great time to run the bots. They're high probability trades, usually to the long side. Today was shorts. In any event, let me read the disclaimer, assuming I can find it on a Monday. There it is. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. And that, of course, applies whether you're trading a cash account or you're trading a funded account or an evaluation account. Okay? All right. But you also have secondary time frames. In this case, I happen to be using one chart. So the moving averages on the primary chart and that secondary 15-second chart are the same. When they are congruent, you will get a trade, long or short. When they are not congruent, there will be no trade. The original bot also utilizes average true range to identify targets and stops. So from trade to trade, they could be different. If volatility increases or decreases, your targets and stops, likewise, will increase and decrease. Okay? It also has a daily goal, daily draw. I mean, it's pretty common. Auto trail, break even. I typically use break even at target 1 and then auto trail when it catches up. I am trading NASDAQ only on the trend bot. It's my preferred. This is a big trade. That would have been a big trade. 24 handles with 5 contracts would have been huge. Anybody take that 25 short? 97 breaks. This could get really brutal for the NASDAQ. Good morning, Earl. The trend bot operates on a vastly different methodology. The trend bot operates on 9 primary moving average pair crossovers. There is no secondary time frames. It's a moving average crossover bot. There are actually 20 pairs that you can utilize, but the primary are 9 pairs of moving average crossovers. Now, in theory, each pair that crosses adds a contract. In reality, I'm not using personally, nor have I done education where we're utilizing all 9 contracts. I am trading 5 contracts. I am primarily using 2 of the moving average pairs. I did some extensive back testing on TradeStation and have found or isolated the 2 pairs that have the highest probabilities. Okay. In the TrendBot, there are a number of settings which I refer to, good morning, Hubba, which I refer to as trade protection. I do not use the vast majority of those in trade protection. So let me tell you what they are. I'm going to make some adjustments on the 1 minute because I downloaded the new version last night, but did not put in anything in the new version. So there is a daily goal and a daily draw. So each of the bots, I showed you the original bot initially, each of the bots has a daily goal, daily draw. The TrendBot also has a trade goal and a trade draw. So you can limit either the loss or the gain utilizing a per trade goal. Now, the per trade goal does not interfere with the daily goal or vice versa. So if you have a daily goal of $2,000 and a per trade goal of $200, neither one interferes with the other. Although the greater number, daily, will take precedence if you get there. We also have in the TrendBot, we also have a high water mark, which I do not utilize. The high water mark allows you to set a number, 200, 400, 500, 700, whatever, and it will engage trade protection in the form of either a percentage pullback to kill the trade or a dollar increment to kill the trade. So for instance, if you are engaged, let's say $500 is your high water mark. Once the trade hits $500, that high water mark is now engaged. You can limit the pullback, meaning I'm willing to give back $100 on a $500 trade. You put $100 into the settings. If it pulls back $100, the trade gets killed. So you protect $400. I personally don't use that aspect. In fact, I don't use any of them. The difference now between the original bot and the TrendBot, the original bot, as I explained, uses average true range to identify targets up to 3 and a stop. The TrendBot does not utilize any functionality to identify targets and stops. It does utilize targets and stops generically, which you, as the trader, determine. So I typically use 50 ticks, 50 tick stop, 50 tick target. And that's what we've got. So came to 22. Exactly to 22. If this breaks down below 18 or so, it's going to get hit hard. I took one off. It's got a $900 trade here. Mark, before you ask a question, think about it. How would I have 9 on? I added contracts, right? It looks like it, obviously. Freaking pre-market. This thing held right where it had a hold before a breakdown. If this flips below 18, it's going to get smoked. Come on, break 18. Be a guy. Sell them off. Come on, 18. You can see we're holding it. There it goes. Top of the hour coming, and I'll take my breakfast. All right, I flattened. I'm flat. It's shorts, guys. We're coming down again. All right, I'm going to breakfast here. Couple seconds, guys. We're off. We're off. 3 minute took a long right on the open. That break even button will come in nice when we get it. Watch for a rollover. We do have some. If we get below 11, it's coming down. Small sellers. I think we push up to 50, but watch this roll. We've got pretty good support at 14. Sellers in. I'm looking to short. I'm short. Not much of a move. There it goes. Trend bot short with 3. Come on. This needs to break down below 94 to come down. $1,600 here, guys. I'll take 2 off. We're coming into value area low. Flatten that. I'm running 2. We need to break below 82. Below 82. I'll take 1 off here. All right, we got another short on the trend bot. I don't like it here with 6. Come on, break down. Got to break down below 82. We're up to 2,500 sellers. There's a $900 trade on the bot. Took off a couple. Still running 1 on order flow trade. All right. Bot is up 490 now. 3 minute is short. Nothing on the original bot. It's on. All right. I'm holding this one contract, guys, for a moment because I think we break down. Need to break 82. We came to 82 quarter. If 82 breaks, this could be a blowout. I'm flat. 1,300. Trying to go long here. Found 160 buyers. It's going to have to get through here. 08, 09. A couple hundred buyers here. I like the long. I'm going to take a long with, no, I'm not. 09 is our problem. And then 14. Let's see if we get a move back up to 9. This could roll again here. We lost all the buyers. Break of 82 is going to bash this. We're getting pretty, look, we're getting pretty toppy. You got 240 resistance right at value area high. We're down to 700 on the net sellers. We're failing here. Lagarde saying the labor market is finally adjusting. Thank you, Tyler. Sit tight, guys. We're squished here at VWAP. I think we come down. I'd really like to see this push up to 65, 67. I'll sell this, guys, 65. Pending 65 on the short. If it can beat me, beat me. This is my fourth eval of the day. Short 4. We lowered point of control. $10-minute is pushing pretty good resistance here. And 240. If it doesn't flip quickly, I'll kill the trade. Come on down. Come on, dog. Break that little support. 700. 800. Come on. Come on. 1,000. 1,100. 1,200. Let's go. Took 2 off. Took 2 off. Running 2. Come on, give me a complete dust. Come on, there we go. There we go. Rolling over again, back to 35. Come on. Took 1 more off, have 1 left. Holding 1. Like to see a pullback to 08. All right, I'm flat. We could push up back again or fail below the point of control. I'm flat. Everybody good, guys? Is everybody good? All right. Is everybody good? Christine Lagarde still speaking, so this is not helping us. Nice job, Jennifer. Very good. Very nice. Everybody just sit tight. We're just the 10-minute is hurting us right now, guys. If we push up through the 10-minute and the hourly, we're going to be longs. Just sit tight now. We got the easy money in. We're pushing up. We're still into this zone where I still think we're a short. If we get above 75, we're going to trade 90. It's going to make a bigger pullback later today. A lot of buyers here. We're down to a couple of hundred. There we go. Another $400. Let me get out of 2 of these if I can. All right, I'm out of 2. Support should be 58. I'm flat. I was late on that trade, guys. My apologies. Small sellers in here, guys. Really small. 16. NASDAQ is basically flat, up or down a couple points in here. What I want to see is a rollover. Watch for the roll here. We're gonna turn, but I got to get below point of control and VWAP ideally. Watch for the turn. I'll tell you if I short or where I'm looking. Nope, we didn't get it. She's close. God, this is going to be right into VWAP, though. We could come back to 08. Support is 31. We're holding this for now, but I think we break below it. Some small sellers, small buyers. That's what I want to see is this stupid thing. I've got the trend bot on the 1 minute set for shorts only at this point. I'm only interested in shorts now. I'm not interested in longs up here. We're close to squeezing. The short looks like it's going to come in below 55. Got target 1 on the bot, on the original bot. Come on, hit that target 2. Come on. It's Going to take it out at even. Still, the 10-minute is hurting us. Out. It's the 10-minute. Really don't want longs in here. I set it for shorts only as well. We're struggling on the 10-minute. This low volume area. If it goes, we're going to push up to 90. What I'm looking for is a push higher and then another pivot, and then still can't get above it. I don't want to short in here. I either have to, we have to break below VWAP to get a move back down to 55. Yeah, this area to 55, this pivot here, 57. There's nothing here. If it goes long, good. We push up to 90. Here's a trend bot. $1,000, $1,200. Come on, you dog. Took 3 off, got 8 to go. I flattened it. Trendbot's now up 1570 on the 1 minute. There's the breakdown. It came to that 39.40. And I think we worked down to 08, guys. That's my opinion. The original bot also has a short on, 2 targets hit. I'll turn trail on now. If it breaks here, it comes down 810. We're coming to 808. We held yesterday's low at 36. So I got my 39. And we held yesterday's low. The 2 minutes got to break below that. It's all got to break below Friday's low. If it breaks below Friday's low, she gets dusted. We come back down to 08 and 03. We're going to trade value area high, right back down. 30 seconds, we get a candle close below the volume point of control. We should be good to go. She's chubby. All right. Out on the bot. Let me look at this 10-minute again. 10-minute wants longs. The break is below that 34, really 30, whatever. We got to get below yesterday's low, Friday's low. Other than that, looks like we're trying to turn up again. It's pushing the top of the 10-minute cloud again. It's got to get up through 69 to go long. But we do have buyers, small net sellers. Come on, you dirt dog. Again, it's the 10-minute screwing us up. The 2-minute is good. We get above 70 and this rips. Above 70, this is going to fly. Small buyers in here doing nothing. Chop. Just chop, fellas. Now it's all chop. I still like longs. Back to 1,000, unless this rolls completely over and it goes right back up, right around my entry again. I like longs. I'm good on, it's this damn 10-minute is killing us again. It's the 10-minute. There it is. You dog. Got me again. Above 70 and I'm long again. Look at order flow, guys. They're buying them up. We're wedged in these two low volume areas. Come on. There it is. Target 2 is filled. There, we're above 70. We should break out now. This should be the breakout, guys, to 90. I'll turn the trail is on. This should be the breakout to 90. $80 anyways. There's 80. All right, flat. This is up 805. I missed my short off this pivot. Should have been short 72. Come on. There we go. Got 46.50, trying to get 41. Next 2-minute bar is here. Short on the trend bot. 9 contracts, up $500. 41 is going to be some support. A breakdown below that, below Friday's low is going to dust this. Let me get this out of here. Former Evergrande CEO has been, and somebody else have been detained in China. Close that. Evergrande had canceled a creditor meeting. I'm not sure you get a trial in China. I think you just get shot. Three-minute trend bot is short also. Come on, break down. Here comes my 41. Choppy today, guys. Really choppy. Fuck, look at that bounce. Come on. We're up to 1,600 sellers, and this thing just will not blow down. It's this low volume area. Look, we're still wedged. I flatten it 1 second too soon. Three-minute went short. 3 minutes up 3,700. If we break down below the close or low, Friday's low at 36, we're coming down. I think we will. We're back up to 1,800, guys. All right, I'm just going to short this and leave it on. I'm going to short this and leave it on. I would have gotten my target had I been more patient. This could bounce here. It's holding 2-minute support, standard line. 36 is going to be support, Friday's low. But if we break down there, we could come down a mile. I think we're coming down to eventually 816, 17, and then 808. 16, 17 area, and then 808. Come on, break here. You got them now at the low. 1,900 sellers. Some small support at 31 has to break. 6 minutes to the next 15-minute bar. I can get dink and dunk trades, guys. I cannot get a rip. 31 breaks. Fudger. I'm getting ticks, but I'm not using an ATM. All right, flat. Held Friday's low again. It's not going to hold for very long. 10:30, I'll get an update. Bot short again. The original bot. There's target one. Break even. Sellers in again. We broke. And traded into that. Look at this. Traded into that 240 trend line. Man, talk about. It's like trading through a minefield here. All right, fellas, hang on. I got to adjust PA accounts and remove some. I got daily goal on a bunch. So hang on, guys. Okay. We're still coming to that 08. We got the 17. Buyers in. We're at 2,200 net sellers. Buyers just came in. We're back to yesterday's low. Dallas Fed at the bottom of the hour. Dallas Fed. I'll get a volume update somewhere around 10:30 also. Your short is here at 28. Come on, break down here. Break down in the 2-minute and go. Still waiting, Dallas Fed. Minus 18 versus minus 13. Hang on, let me take off another PA account. Okay. We're going to break down on the 2-minute here pretty quickly here, guys. Come on, break below this damn cloud and go. 08 is still the target. 08. Trendbot got target 1. Freaking sitting here. A couple hundred sellers were sitting. Come on, push down. Okay, out. Trendbot's up $1,000. That's done for the day. I'm sorry, the original bot down up $1,000. Come on down. Jesus, stop. Randy. Well, everybody, we're 15% below our 1-month daily average. We were heavy volume overnight. Volume sucks here. If we break, I mean, god dang, this thing is so close. Below 19 now, it gets smacked. Complete BS here on this move. Back into resistance at Friday's low. Guys, volume, this is abysmal. Abysmal. God dang it, man. Seriously. I don't know, Stuart. Send me an email. I have no idea. Off the top of my head, I don't even know what I ate for breakfast. If we're going to fail, it's here. Fucker. Seriously. This chop is driving me nuts. Trendbot would have gone long. I'm not taking it. I appreciate you asking, but I have no idea off the top of my head. 10-minute stuck here at VWAP. We're at volume point of control. $600 buyers came in. The original bot's up $1,000. 1,000. I'll go over the totals at 11 o'clock. ECB is not talking about rate cuts. Let's go over bots here. The 1 minute trend bot up 16.55 on the day. The 3 minute trend bot up 45.05. Oh, I swear this is going to break down though. And the original bot up 1,000. I'm going to turn this on. I hit instantly submit short. It put 3 on quickly. Let's see if we get this. Come on. Man, this is so close to breaking down though, fellas. So dang close. Back to Friday's low, which is where we're just stuck. Friday's low. Well, it just back and forth around Friday's low. The 2 minute, it breached the bottom of the cloud, is trying to push. There we go. Below 24, it got target. It's got 2 contracts left. Come on, push below that low and keep it there. There we go. All right, I'm flat, guys, and done. I'm flat and done. The 1 minute is going to finish up 13. Man, I want this short. I'm going to hit this again. It's got 9 on. I know this is a chop period too. If this breaks down, we're back to 2,100. I'm leaving this short on. We're at 2,100 sellers. It's trying to hold here and bounce. Below 24, we closed 2 minutes below the cloud. But this has to break down below 25, 24 to really get some juju here. Below 24, it's going to zip. We're going to get 15 and then 08. Below 24, we get 15 and 08. So I put a target at 26. 2,100 net sellers. Volume is just abysmal. Volume is abysmal. Come on, break down for God's sake. God dang, guys. Today was no fun after the first 25 minutes.